Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn Python variables. Yes, how to learn about two Python variables using ChatGPT and how we can declare in our Python IDE. We are going to learning here. So let's simply see. In previous lectures, you have already setting up your local development environment by installing Python and Python IDE. So let's see, in my Windows desktop and computer system, I just finding Python. This is a community center edition which we have already installed. Now what you need to do, create a new Python file which is a name called variables. So here, you can define your page here, right click and create new file. There is an option called new, and here you can take Python file. Name of the file variables, hit enter. Yes, something it is already exist, it is saying. So what I am trying to doing now, this time removing existing. Now I am creating new one, Python file variables, hit enter. You will get this window like a variable.py. Super awesome. See, Python variables are creating very super easy. Simply I just take a name equal to double quotes, if it is a string, I can specify the name of, and if you want to read this Python variable, how we can print this variable. So here, see, this is the variable which is the holding the data. This is the data, either whenever the data is having double quotes from the start and end, means it's a string data type. So when the data types lecture, we will be known what type of data it is. Now it is a data which is a storing inside the variable here. Left part is a variable, we call it as any name you can take. Yes, there is a predefined keyword which are keywords are there, which automatically you will be known with the different color in this particular IDE. So here you may see print, it is showing like a blue color. So the same way, if it is a blue color or something, any other color, if it is means, it will be like a reserved keyword for Python programming language that you need to understand. And other than any name, you can take it. Now if I run this program, run variables, you will see a wonder. See, a variable, what the information it is containing, we are going to reading and seeing in the output in a simple way. So yes, perfect. Now using ChatGPT, let's come back here. I ask a question to my computer system like a ChatGPT AI tool, what I want to know here, what are Python variables? You can write it, or else any other which is easy to you to understand and you want to ask to ChatGPT, you can write it. I can write variables in Python. Very simple question I am asking to the ChatGPT. Let me see here what you can do. You can make a wonders to identify. See, this is my question and here is my question, and in Python variable named storage location, that is used to store a value. To create a variable, you simply assign a value to a variable. For example, see, name John Doe, it is assigned. And if it is a number, age, something like a 30, with the number you need not to specify, and it's not required to assign this single quote or double quotes. And is student, like any status and these things, if we can mention like a true false values, this is the Boolean expression. Yes, this is the one type of variable declaration. And the above code, what ChatGPT is saying, name, age and student is the variable names, and John Doe 30 number and the false are the values which are assigned to these variables. Got it? It's an important note. You can read it. You don't need to specify data type in Python. Yes, this is a very, very important point. In earlier programming languages of Java or C#, you may see there you have to strictly follow and specify string data type, Boolean data type, integer data type, and any other. You have to specify the variable, what type of data is going to be storing in a particular variable. Then you have to assign the value. And in Python, it's not required. So make file like age equal to 30, something like in this way. So See, and also such as a print, if, for, these are the predefined keywords which are not going to be right as a variable name. And directly sum is a variable and equal to 2 plus 3 arithmetic operator. It can be possibly assigned in this way, and we can use here. So how super easily you can learn Python variables and more information what you want to know and explore. If any specific variable if you want to know, you just ask a ChatGPT to learn more things. I hope it's a super easy for you to practice to knowing Python variables. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.